Hi everyone, it's Don and I hope you're having a fantastic week. Well, the captain that was arrested in Budapest, well, he's out of jail now. That's right, the captain of the Viking River cruise ship, only known as Yuri C right now in the news, has been released on bail by a judge in Budapest. Now, a lot of people are freaking out because he could be the cause of over 24 people losing their lives because of his inaction. Apparently, prosecutors are trying to say not to let him go out on bail because of suspicious behavior, not only in what happened with the cruise ship running into the tourist boat, but the fact that he deleted a large portion of his cell phone messages shortly after the accident happened. They can't tell right now if it's related to the accident at all, but it seems very, very suspicious that all these emails and messages were deleted directly after the accident. It's just too coincidental to be a coincidence. So I imagine those records will be subpoenaed from the cell phone company, and they will see eventually when this gets to court what will happen. Now, for those of you who are worried that he's going to try and flee, that's what the prosecutors were worried about. There are some conditions to the release. First off, he is not allowed to leave Budapest. He's not allowed to travel to any other country. He has to wear an ankle bracelet, with a tracking device on it. And he has to check in twice a week to the prosecuting office in the sheriff's department there. Police department in Budapest. So he doesn't have free roam to go wherever he wants. He can't head back to his own country. They will be monitoring him very, very closely. So, but for now, he's released on bail. It's not looking too good as the evidence starts to pile up along with, the people. So we'll see what happens, but a lot of people were protesting that this person should never have been released from jail, just in case. Can you imagine now if somehow he escapes custody? That would be a tragedy, and the court system would really, really not look too promising on that. So, well, that's what we have so far. So the captain's released on bail. It's an expensive bail. However, he does have to wear a tracker. He's not allowed to leave the country. He has to check in twice a week. Let's hope that they have somebody monitoring him 24/7. Well, I hope you liked this news update. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You want to see more tips, more tricks, more travel vlogs from around the world? Hit that subscribe button. Till next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.